our stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and the overall height standing at 34.5 inches tall. Thickness of the table will include 1 3/4 inches. Coming to the bottom is an additional shelf, with the shelf measuring 65.5 inches in length, 22.25 inches in depth, and the height from the bottom of the shelf to the top of the table will include 20 inches tall. Coming to the left corner is the NSF certification, and the film can be peeled off, that's protecting the stainless steel finish. Our tables will hold and support weight for the equipment that we sell, such as griddles, burners, broilers, and much more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.